Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 BMW K1300GT. This is one of the original super sport touring bikes, inline 4-cylinder, shaft drive, beautiful condition, only 6,800 miles on this amazing machine. Brand new tires, just serviced at the BMW Center. It's got heated grips, heated seat, electronic cruise control, trip computer, ABS brakes, locking, removable side bags, adjustable windscreen, 6-speed transmission, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Beautiful condition. Come on by. Make your super sport touring dreams come true for just $59.90. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Check out that adjustable windscreen. You can just move it up and down on the fly. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.